don't touch that fold. So my crease ends here. I'm gonna make sure I do not touch that fold. And you basically fill it in. Step 4, if you want to add more shape to your wings, do so from the bottom, not the top. And this is how the eyes look. See how they look even and natural? Well, obviously, there's nothing natural about wings on your eyes. But you can see them. That's the point of this, of my wing liners. And to fix that, if you made a mistake, I'm sure you will, you just use a concealer. And this is in the shade Amande. And that is how you clean that mess if you made it like I did. Now what I did here is I tightlined because I didn't do the whole lash line with the eyeliner. So this gives me an illusion of having a liner on my lashes without really doing so, because if I were to line my lashes like how it's usually done, I wouldn't have much space when I'm going in to do my eyeshadow. So that saves me real estate and time, because I just have to do this wing and dot it, and that's it. So let me go put on my lashes so you can see how everything looks, and I'll see you soon. You can see a major difference, right? This one is more lifted and looks more alive, and this one looks, I don't know. So if you ever wanted to know how to apply lashes, I'll show you how I do apply my lashes. It's very simple, and these are the two pieces I just glue, and you'll see how I do that now. And I'm using my favorite glue, which is the Kiss eyelash glue. Now this is the lash right here. And this is how it looks. See? I apply my wishes, I apply my lashes from the bottom of my lash and not the top. So I get a more natural look. And not only that, my lashes, I have very curly lashes. So that was out the window for me. I've seen people do it, and I was saying, no, my lashes are way too curly for that. And so I just went straight to this method of applying lashes, and it's very easy for me. It's a very thin band, so it's perfect for this type of look. Not even this look, for any look. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see how good it looks. I'll be right back. I'm gonna put some foundation on and do my makeup. All right, guys, I'm back. This is my final makeup look. All right, to recap, make sure you don't pass your crease when you're doing the wing liner or the fold, because that's how you get, it doesn't show when you open your eyes. And also, please, if you don't do it for yourself, do it for me. Practice every day or every other day. And I know you'll see a difference, because practice makes progress. And I know by practicing, especially we're inside the house now, this is the time for you to, practice your craft and improve your skills. So please practice, because watching videos does help, but if you do not do it, it works both ways. So please practice. And finally, thank you for watching my video. And if you would like to see more from me, or if you like what you see now, please subscribe and like this video. And I'll see you in my next video. And please stay tuned, because I have a lot of content planned for the upcoming weeks, and I'm really, really excited for them. So please stay tuned and, join my family on YouTube, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.